Hello everyone, my name is Taylor Klobowski and today I will be talking about Canvas, my educational technology tool. Alright, so Canvas is a software used to upload, submit, and organize all of your assignments, add any upcoming events, and receive updates on classwork and any school events. Canvas also collaborates with other software such as MyMadison to transfer final grades to that software, and there are also tools to record school material and submit it, as well as email students and teachers all right in Canvas. Reasons to use Canvas is that it allows you to submit these assignments and view day-to-day school assignments that are due and submit those assignments for grades. It allows you to stay organized and add any school-related events to one software and utilize other tools such used for class and connect with students and teachers. The goal for this lesson is that students will be able to learn to use learning tools to submit assignments and stay organized on Canvas. And the objectives for this lesson is that after the lesson, students will be able to successfully locate courses and available assignments on Canvas, as well as successfully navigate tools within Canvas, all by the end of the teaching session. All right. So this is your dashboard. After you log in, you will be immediately sent to your dashboard. On the left-hand side right here, we have the date, and it goes day by day what you will have due, the title of your course, and the assignment attached to it with the title, and the day and time that you will need to submit it on the right-hand side. At the top right here, you have what you have due today. You can add an assignment or an event on your calendar using the plus button. You can view your courses and your grades with this button right here. And with the bell, you can also list it'll list you any assignments that you're missing. And this is the view of the dashboard that you would like to view it at. There is card and list view. And then on the left-hand side over here, we have your accounts page, the dashboard button. The accounts page allows you to update your profile picture, your files, settings, etc. Any groups that you have, and the calendar is right here with all of your course titles and what you have due for that day. The inbox allows you to view your emails and email any of your students and teachers. And Studio allows you to record a video and upload it right within Canvas by pressing the record button right here. All right. And so the objectives that you should have learned after this lesson were to be able to successfully locate the courses and available assignments on Canvas, and to navigate tools within Canvas by the end of this teaching session. Thank you so much.